Today, I'm going to show you the new upgraded Courtney with a lace front. First, I'm going to show you how I prep my bio hair to be ready for a topper. So I just have really thin hair all over, like generalized thinning. My ponytail would be that big if I was just going to wear my normal hair. First thing I do is I just run a straightener through it real quick. This is my topper. This is the upgraded Courtney. Here you can see the mono top right here. This is kind of what the top of it looks like. You can see the lace right here, really thinly. I did trim it to fit my hair. Today I'm just gonna be using the clips to show you guys, but you can do anything you want. Now with a lace topper, it does sit right above your hairline. You don't want it too far back, otherwise it's gonna be really noticeable. For people who have a lot of alopecia and have a lot of hair loss right here, you can put some glue on your forehead right here, either the strips, they have spray, they have lots of different stuff. I've used the glue before. You can actually glue this down so it fits right along the hairline that you want. So when you do a topper or a wig for that matter, you want to remember like 4 fingertips from your eyebrow to your forehead, kind of as a natural look. So on lace, you want that to sit right above your hairline. You don't want it way back there. You can tell then it doesn't blend very well. So you're gonna start by bringing that around. Sometimes I put it a little bit farther down. That way I can adjust it back up to where I like it and where I need it. Once you kind of have that lace sitting right where you need it on your forehead, go ahead and put your hand on the top. That just secures it, protects it, and keeps it from going anywhere while you're getting everything else secured. Those 4 clips that are around your head, that is what you're gonna use to secure everything. You unsnap them, scoop up your bio hair, clip them. I do the front 2 first, followed by the back 2, just for windy days, or if you feel like, I feel like it takes a lot of pressure off the rest of my bio hair if I have a few more clips spread out through here. Once you get it on, that's pretty much all you have to do. I do like to brush it out. So once this is in place, you can see how well that blends. Look how natural that looks, how the part line looks. I'd have to unsnap it to lift it up, but you can barely see. It just melts right into your forehead. It looks very natural. So once I brush it all out, you can straighten it, you can curl it, you can kind of do whatever you want to. It is real hair, just be mindful of the settings you're gonna use on a flat iron for it. I do like to run a little bit of a flat iron, especially toward the front. I really usually tuck my hair behind my ears. That is really all you have to do. It looks very natural. It flows very well. You can bunch it, you can move it, you can shake your head. That thing is not going anywhere. So let me turn around and let me show you what the back looks like. It blends seamlessly. I love these toppers from UniWigs. I get lots of compliments every day.